Another example. We have 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Check first if the given trinomial is a perfect squared. How to check? First, check the first term and the last term. Okay, what is the first term? 4x squared. And what is the last term?
49.
Okay, do you think 4x squared and 49 are both positive? Yes, both perfect squared. Then get the square root. What is the square root of 4? 2. Square root of x squared. Square root of 49. Then after that, get the product. 2x times 7. 14x. Then multiply it again by what? By 2. 2 times 14x. 28x. Equal ba sa middle term? If yes, we can say that the given trinomial is a perfect square. What we're going to do? Write 1 parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, write the square root of the first term, which is 2x. The square root of the last term, 7. And copy the operation at the middle term. What is the operation at the middle term? Addition. So don't forget to write square. Therefore, this is the answer.